Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. How are you all doing today? I hope you're all doing well. So this opportunity is for those that want to study in USA for free. So this university, you can see from the screen that you do not need to make a separate application for their automatic scholarship. So what you just need to do is apply to this university and you can be considered for their merit-based scholarship. Not only that, application is currently ongoing for both domestic and international students, so you can apply to this university immediately once you come across this opportunity. And you can apply with unofficial transcripts. There is no application fee to apply to this university, and SAT and ACT test scores are optional. If you have them, fine, but if you don't have them, you can also apply to this wonderful university. You can apply with your unofficial transcripts, and Ielts is not also compulsory if you studied previously in English and you can confirm that your previous study was conducted in English. So these are the things we are going to talk about in this video. I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this wonderful university, the courses they have, the application deadline and application requirements, everything you need to know about this opportunity so that you can go ahead and apply immediately. But before then, I created a free ebook that you can download. What you just need to do is go to the description of the video and you can find the link. The ebook is all about top countries you can study for free. So if you are looking for countries that you can study for free, I have been able to compile them for you, and what you just need to do is download the ebook and you can make more research on them and make your applications. If you are also finding it difficult to find the description box, just leave a comment in the comment section and say send me the ebook and I will send you the link directly. Okay, if you are coming across my video for the first time, then you are highly welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. My name is Favour and I'm a Nigerian currently doing my master's in Germany. So on this channel, I help ambitious young people from low income backgrounds move from feeling limited by their finances to confidently securing scholarships or admissions to study abroad for free. So this is just what I'm doing on this platform, helping you to achieve your dream and your desire to study abroad for free. So that being said, let's get back right into the video. So this is the scholarship page and you can see the merit-based scholarships. You can see here there is no additional application is required for a merit-based scholarship. All applicants are automatically and comprehensively considered for merit-based scholarships when they apply, including students who apply as test optional. So they also have the freshman merit-based scholarships, and you can see that admitted students are automatically considered for a merit-based scholarship based on a full review of their comprehensive high school academic performance and completed Baylor application. Test scores will be taken into account for the scholarship review process for students applying for the upcoming academic year. Applicants who submit a full complete admission file after February 1st are considered for merit-based scholarships based on available funding. This is to tell you that you need to apply before this February 1st. You need to apply on time. I'm also going to show you more information about international applicants. You know, sometimes what is obtainable for domestic students is not also obtainable for international students. There might be discrepancies, so take note of that. So they have also said that if you get this scholarship, that renewal is possible only if you maintain a GPA of 3.0 or higher. So they have also indicated that Baylor has offers a number of scholarship programs for high achieving students. scholarships range from $1,000 to full cost of attendance. So if you want to learn more about it, you can click on this link. But before then, let's just go into the international student application requirements. So how we are going to do it is, if you go to the admissions, the undergraduate admissions, and you click here, you are going to see for international, and you click on international. So it's going to bring us to the international page, and mind you, the university we are talking about is Baylor University. So I'm exploring the undergraduate application. So when you come to the international students application portal, you click on application process. So when you click on application process, you come down, you are going to get more information about the application requirements. So you are going to choose your application deadline. So they have indicated here that November 1st is for their early decision. So they said, for students who commit to attending Baylor, if accepted, receive a decision no later than December 15th. So if you apply between now and November 1st, you are going to get your decision before December 15th. And if you apply for their November 1st non-binding, you are going to receive a decision no later than February 1st. So you can see the timeline already. Just make your decision when you are ready to start the school, so that you make your application according to that. But do not apply after the deadline, so that you don't waste your time. So they have also indicated that they have regular admission, and this is non-binding, and it is rolling decision, so you can get your admission at any time. But this is for their spring admission. So take a look at all the application deadline and determine what is best for you. So you can also apply to this school through their Baylor online application or through the common application. If you are conversant with US applications, you should know more about common application right now. So this school, you do not need to make any payments to apply to them if you are applying through the common app or through the Baylor online application. So what you just need to do is review your application checklist. Now you have already known about the deadline. You can check for the high school transcript. You can apply with your unofficial transcript. Like I mentioned, they said unofficial transcripts are sufficient to complete your file. However, please note that final enrollment at Baylor is contingent upon receipt of an official transcript. So in order not to waste your time, you can use your unofficial transcript, that is your student copy, to apply to them. But on admission and upon enrollment, you need to submit your official transcript. So for the SAT, you can also see here they said it is optional, right? You can decide to opt in or out of it. And yes, let's keep going. For the proof of English language proficiency, if you studied previously in English, then you do not need to provide IELTS, because you can see the requirements they have stated here. If you have your transcript from a high school in US, or if you completed your 1 year study in a school where English is the official language, then you do not need to provide IELTS. Except you don't fall into any of these categories, then you need to provide SAT or ACT or IELTS or Toefl, right? So you need to complete the financial aid applications, and you also need to write an essay. Just take your time and go through all of these requirements so that you know what to do. And it's either you apply through the Baylor online application or through the common app. So I'm going to open one of it so that you take a look. So I opened the Baylor online application portal, and you can see here it says welcome to Go Baylor. We are excited you are interested in becoming a Baylor bear. Wondering where to start? Learn more and apply for free below. So if you are a new user, you go here. For new users, fill your email and get started. But if you have created like a profile already and you have started the application, you can always log into your portal, like into your page, so you can see that applying to this amazing university is for free. And what are you waiting for? Do well to apply to them immediately. So let's take a look at some of the courses they have or they're offering in the school, so you have an idea of the courses they offer in the university. So how you are going to find the courses they offer in the university is when you go to About Baylor, you are going to see the majors and minors. So when you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page. And when you come down, you can see the courses they have here. They have a lot of courses that you can choose from. All you just need to do is take your time, whichever course you want to do, research more about them and be sure you have interest in them. So you can see that for accounting, the degree is BBA and the department is business, and you can see it is a major, like you can major in it. So for advertising, you see is minor. So just take your time and research more about the courses they have. It depends on what you have interest in, but you can see they have a lot of courses here and you have a variety of courses to choose from. So let me know, are you going to study in this school? Are you going to apply to them? But before you click off, remember I told you about the top countries for free education ebook I compiled for you. Just click the link in the description box or leave a comment for me in the comment section, send me the ebook, and I'm going to send you the link directly. So that being said, we have been able to cover that this university, there is no application fee to apply to them. Application is currently ongoing. You can apply with your unofficial transcripts, and yeah, SAT and ACT are optional, and if you studied previously in English, you can apply to them without any Ielts. So if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to apply. The link will be in the description box. And if you haven't subscribed, do well to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload all these amazing videos, you'll be among the first to be notified. Until my next video, love you, stay blessed, bye.